What's going on, everybody? This is just a quick update. Remember this $23,000 account? It's now sitting. I was sitting at 50,000 in a minute. Remember, I asked you guys about this, and I asked you if we can take it to 100,000. It's now sitting at almost 50,000. I was at 50,000 actually. I didn't close the trade. I'm still gonna let it run, but I was at 50,000. Okay. But it is what it is, family. I mean, the most important thing about Forex is sticking to what I've taught you guys, sticking to what I've said to you guys. Do not trade everything and do not trade every time, right? Stick to what I have said to you. Stick to what I've showed you as my mentees. Stick to whatever I teach on my videos. Do not fear, not hesitate. When you see what I've taught you, be confident enough that it is going to make you profit. Okay, because it's the same thing I'm using. You've watched me build this account from 8,000 euros. Okay, 8,000 euros up to now where it's sitting at almost 50,000 euros. You know what I mean? So stick to what I've taught you guys. Like you see, even the broker here is not even giving me like I deserve. But in any case, man, it is what it is. I'm still a rock star. In case you're wondering, this is why I am a rock star. With one trade, I've moved an account from 23 to almost 50,000. Look at that, it's at 50 now. You know what I mean? 50. So it is what it is, man. It is what it is. Stick to what I've taught you guys. And for everything, man, I mean, for those of you guys who still want to join the movement, please send us a message on our WhatsApp number, and we'll give you our Skrill and Netella email so that you can, if you want to be part of it. In any case, God bless you. I love you so much. Yours truly, the Forex Rockstar, signing out, baby.